Yo, what's good, people? We back at it again, and yeah, today we check out the Ndebele Prince. You get what I'm saying? But that's very own Kelvin Mangena representing Zimbabwe. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, today we're checking out his track. It's called Maria. How but Maria featuring Cherry Plum. How goes that? Now this is gonna be a sweet song. You get what I'm saying? Now this is gonna be a sweet song, guys. Let's see what the boy is cooking. Let's see what type of vibe this is gonna be. You get what I'm saying? Cause Calvin Mangena's a beast, bro. I'm not gonna lie. This nigga's a beast. He's been doing the most. Ooh, 10 months ago. Shit, I'm late. But it's calm, bro. We need to see what type of vibe this is. You get what I'm saying? Asizu tutini Maria. Is this fully back? Alright, cool. Dango. Woo! Come on! Come on! Come on! What you like close my eyes and yelling wow? Because you have a Maria. Hey, but the entry is the one, bro. Come on, boy. Nah, let's run it back. Let's let it flow. Let's let it flow. This is 2 Maria. Maria, what can you so poison? Yeah? Come on. Come on. Come on. Isino Maria, boy. Oh my god. Ivoice le ifana iqumba inhliziyo. Ama intestines ifana velari. Hey wena. Cherry Plum. So sweet. Hey wena, ngena lapha. Maria said wena. What voices are these? Angosami liyacula kobulawayo siyacula, damn it, we can sing. Hemuzwa, the people is pimping. Come on, Bachele Kelvin. Come on. Bachele Maria. Maria Wingozi. Hey, man, this is no Maria, man. Voice win. Mobile lava. Mana ma-advert mana. Did you hear the pimbo guys? Did you hear the pimbo ring? Yeah, well. You see, this is the combo that we like. The combo there was communicating about. Oh, when you say God, I'm going to the man in the next thing. Oh, you say God, I shame. I Guys, Kelvin Mangena, bro. Bro, I've never seen someone so versatile, bro. I don't know how he does it. This dude, come on, penetrate about Shama Vocale Williams. Hey, ngapho cherry plum. There's a cherry plum disonda kanjani. It was like it's soothing, it's sweet. Finally bezwe lakhe. Aw, baby girl yathanda ezwa. And siyakubongela Kelvin Mangena for the intro. Sesimazi manje cherry plum. We'll check it out and see what's going on. You get what I'm saying? But nah, guys, it's a beautiful track. I'm not gonna lie. This is a beautiful track. This is the shit we love to see. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, shout out to Kelvin Mangena and shout out to Cherry Plum for the song Maria. Sing us to Maria Ngubane. When udlisa Maria. Fethu la uze yakufunza. Bheka manje suhlanya. But it's fine, guys. It's fine. Anyway, guys, yeah.